Hi all, welcome to new video of Horilla development series. In this video, we are going to see how we can configure or extend the Horilla navigation bar. So for that, I'm now at my VS Code. So uh, first input the generic navbar view from the CBV views, generic Horilla nav view. So this is the generic navbar view we are going to inherit for our custom shift request nav view. So first I'm going to write in class name like class shift request now. Then I'm adding the parent for the nav view. Let's add the class name for as docstring for now. Then we can provide the nav title. Okay, like yeah, like shift request. Shift request. Okay. Then okay, that's a basic configuration. Now inside the URLs for the custom map. Okay, write a URL for the newly created navbar path custom shift request now. Then shift request dot the shift request now as we okay, then parenthesis and for the name custom shift now. Okay, now let's add this inside the template for the shift section. So here is the main template where it load the shift card tabs now. So inside that, let's load these two. So I'm going to the custom shift request template here, here, uh, yeah, here let's provide a container or element for the navbar. And I'm going to provide the hs get URL km Django HTML URL, paste the URL over here, URL name. I think our name is custom shift now. Okay, then hx target will be the same element. Then the hx target, yeah, no, hx trigger, yeah, it will be load. So when the page is load, the navbar will be rendered into the template. Let's see how it's work. Now here is this the server. Okay, yeah. But one I am added the name outside the tuple. So I need to add it inside the path function as an argument. Yeah. Okay. Let's save it again. Okay. After the server is restarted, when you check on server, okay, this login. Okay. When you check on the custom shift, okay. Let's check the URL trigger inside the logs. Custom shift request tab. Now, yeah, now it's also loaded. But let's check what is happening. It checks gate. this part is clear. Let's check the network. Control Shift J. Network. Search for now. Second preview. Yeah, sorry. So this is the now one. I'm still confused. So we just configure the title only for now. So this is how we extend the Horilla Navbar into our custom views. I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, queries, please ask it inside the comments. Thank you for watching.